Hello and welcome to my review of Tickmill, which is a CFD and Forex brokerage firm. Now, there are three different versions. There's a UK version, the CySec, which is Cyprus, and the SA or the SC, which is Seychelles. I will be focusing on the UK version as it's the biggest one, and of course the most heavily regulated because it is regulated by the FCA, Financial Conduct Authority of the United Kingdom, which is one of the premier uh, financial regulatory bodies in the world. So you have security of funds, you have the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, which protects you up to 50,000 British pounds. Now, there are several different account types, as you can see. There is the classic Pro, VIP, Professional, Islamic, and Demo. So obviously you're probably going to know that a demo account is just simply a practice account. A classic account has no commissions, but it has wider spreads down to as low as 1.6 pips. Pro is going to be, a variable spread, and commission is 2 per side. The VIP is 1 per side of full lots traded. Now, it should be noted that the VIP takes a $50,000 balance, so that's not necessarily going to be in the reach of most traders, but it is available. There is the professional account. You have to be eligible for it. You have to negotiate it and such. So it's really not worth looking at for most of you. The Islamic account is swap free, as you would expect. The main thing is that it's $100 minimum deposit, with the exception of the VIP that was 50,000. So there is that when it comes to the trading platform. Now, the instruments, there's precious metals, stock indices, and crude, bonds, and Forex. There's 60 Forex pairs. Pretty diverse offering here. You can see like the Euro Czech, Euro Mexican pair, which is something you hardly ever see. Euro South African, pound Danish krona, etc. And then, of course, all of the usual ones that you would expect. Now, the trading platform, they use the MetaTrader and the Web Trader version. So that is something that most people will be used to. You can run your EAs, your algorithms, and just simply use the platform, like you do at most other places. There is Autochartist, which is nice. Autochartist, for those of you who are completely technical traders, Autochartist, if you've never used it, will pull up support, resistance, wedges, those type of things, and point them out to you on various time frames to show you just how supported or resisted a particular instrument may be at a particular level. So it's certainly worth checking out. Autochartist is pretty well known and popular. Education, you can see they got webinars, Forex glossaries, seminars, ebooks, etc. Trading videos. So like, for example, there's a lot of trading videos here. The various languages are available, so keep that in mind. And pretty straightforward, really. They are heavily regulated in the UK. The regulatory bodies, of course, are going to be different in CySec and Seychelles, so make sure you're comfortable with that. But beyond that, pretty low barrier to entry, $100. You get the ability to trade several different instruments. The fact that you can trade bonds is pretty good, because if you see, like, for example, the indices falling, quite often you can go to bonds. In this case, you've got German bonds, and take advantage of that type of situation. The precious metals would be the ones you expect, gold and silver, and the such. So with that being said, Tickmill has been around for several years now. They are heavily regulated, and of course offer 84 trading instruments.